All right, you just got this. It comes like this when you get it, by the way. It's got like 2 boxes. And I don't know how this would... All right, anyway, this thing was like shoved in here like this. I think it was. Yeah, so when I got it, it's like this. Then you go like that, all right? And this just comes out. Let me show you. That's the name of it, right? And so we're gonna pop her out like that. So there's your name. Here's some stuff on the back. I don't know what that means, but it does come with, you know, a booklet, so you need that. And it's pretty cool looking. I mean, look, it comes in this case. So you gotta open up the case. Oh, look at that. So this is the pen itself, and it's already charged. You follow me? So basically it's just a, and there it goes. All right. So let's set her down here. It does also come with a USB to USB-C. It's got multiple heads, right? That one's got 4 things in it. This one's got 2. And this one is just one giant head, right? So I do believe these come off of here. You got to kind of unscrew them. So that these screw in there, you know, like this, right? Or maybe you just push them on. Maybe, I guess, I'm not sure. All right, so let's put that in here. All right, so that is everything that comes in the box right there. You see that? That's the interior, okay? Let's see what comes in here. And I think it's the stuff that you need to do the sparkly barklies. All right, so this is it. Warning, there's a danger of suffocation. It's got a little, yeah, let's go ahead and just open it up and we'll see what's inside. All right, so you get a little butterfly thing, right? That you can, it's got numbers on it, so it's like paint by numbers. And then you've got your little sparkles, right? That you put on there, different colors. Let me show you. So here's your butterfly, and there's your sparkles. And you put them on those numbers. See, you can tell by the color of them, right? So you can make a butterfly, right? That's your first project. And it does also come with your little itty bitty tray that you put the sparkly things in. These things here, you put them in there, and then you can go ahead and use your pen to put your sparkles on. So what this does is it sucks up the sparkle, and then you put it on here. And this is when you take this film off it like that. It's sticky. You follow me? So this is basically, this works on suction. It sucks up the sparkle, you take off the film, and then you put it on the different numbers. All right? So if you look, you'll see that's like number, let's say, you remember, you know, paint by numbers or color by numbers? That's how this works. It's a suction pen. It picks up the sparkles, and then you smush them down on here and they stick. And that's how it works. And that's how you make your art with this. Turn it on and off here. It's only got 1 speed. Suck, no suck. And that's it. Bam, done. Bob is your schmunkle. So you want to hang on to these 2 things here. And I'm just going to put all this back in the box. And I'm going to give this to one of my nieces who wants to do art. Shove it right back in there. And then put that back there. Hang on to that because they may need the instructions. Right? Close this up. Put her back in the box. Slide it back together. Well, see if we can slide it back together. And this makes a nice little present for somebody.